boys and girls, we are going to continue to learn about even and odd numbers today. So you had another new song today about even and odd numbers. Remember, our standard says that you determine whether a group of objects, up to 20 objects, has an odd or even number of members. Now your numbers, you can identify any number up to 1,000 as even or odd. And you are going to be able to write an equation to express an even number of objects as a sum of two equal addends. We're going to go over what that means today. So you're going to need your lesson 4 packet, and we are going to start on page 27 today. So I'll give you just a second to get your packet back out and get with us on lesson 20, page 27. So far we've learned that even numbers are numbers that end in, help me out boys and girls, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And odd numbers, the ones that have that one left over, end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Alright, and whenever we look at a number, if it's more than one digit, where do we look in a two-digit number? We look in the ones place, or that end digit. Alright, now, let's look at making addition sentences, or what we call number sentences, equations. So the second part of your standard says write an equation to show the equal number that you can add together. All right, remember, these are partners or pairs. If it's even, and if it's odd, there's one left over, and you can't make an equal pair. But if it's even, you should have two equal groups. You can circle two equal groups. So, let's think. If we have 8 objects, how could we make two groups of 8 where each group have the same amount? Let's think back to addition. In first grade, you learned about your doubles facts. What doubles fact equals 8? Four plus 4 equals 8. That's great. So if you had 4 and 4 more, they each could have a partner, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. So that would be an equation you could write to show an even number. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Eight is even, and you get 8 from having two equal groups put together. Now, number 7, it says write a doubles plus 1 fact for 9. Now, we know 9 is an odd number. There's going to be 1 left over. That's why we had to add that 1 by himself. So the 1 is over here because 9 has an extra 1. Right? If here is 8 and we add 1 more, that makes 9. So what doubles fact could we use to bring down? Yes, the fact for 8 plus 1 more equals 9. So what doubles fact did we use to make 8? 4 plus 4. So in order to make 9, you have to have 4 plus 4 plus 1 more makes 9, because it is an odd number. You do not have an equal amount. You have 1 left over. That makes 9 odd. Number 8. All right, we're going to write these. Some are even, some are odd. We will be able to tell based on the problem. All right, we have 10. All right, 10, we have a 0 in the ones place. It is even. What number can we add to itself to get 10? What doubles fact equals 10? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. So 5 plus 5 more equals 10. And everyone has a partner. Plus 5 equals 10. Alright, the next one says blank plus blank equals 12. Look in your ones place, we have a 2. 12 is even. What number do you add to itself to make 12? What doubles fact? Six plus 6. 6 plus 6. That gives you an even number. Now the next one, we have 7 as our answer. Is 7 an even number or an odd number? 7 is odd. All right, we're adding 1 to our doubles fact. That's to make it odd. 1 left over. So, this should equal 1 less than 7. That is 6. What number do we add to itself to make 6? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus 1 more equals 7. One. We have 15. Look at that number, 15. Is it even or odd? We have a 5 in the ones place. That makes it odd. And we are adding 1 here. So 1 less is 14. What will we use to make 14? What doubles fact? 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Plus 1 more equals 15. So number 9 says, are the sums or answers of doubles odd or even? Are the sums of doubles plus 1 odd or even? So I'm going to write doubles plus 1. Alright, so let's look at all of our doubles facts. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. We've got 12, 10, and 8. Are our doubles facts even or odd? They are even. When you add a number to itself, it matches up, and everyone has a partner. So if it's a doubles fact, that number is, the answer is even. Now, if we have a doubles fact, and then we add one more to it, like in 9, 7, and 15, our answer is what? Yeah, our answer is odd every time, because we have one left over. We have one left over. So doubles facts equal an even answer. Doubles plus 1 facts equal an odd answer. Okay. Now, try it another way. Skip count by 2s to find even numbers. So skip counting by 2s will get your even numbers. Right? Skip count by 2s to finish this list. Stop at 20. All right, let's count, boys and girls. 2, 4, 6. What's next? 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That we've just written. Now, number 11 says numbers not on this list are odd numbers. Now, look at the numbers below. Circle all of the even numbers. Is 11 even? No. 14. Is 14 even? Yes, it is. Circle it. 16. Is it even? Yes, it is. 17. Is it even? No, it is not. Now it says underline the odd numbers. So 11 and 17 are odd. We can underline. Alright, I will have a video for you to check your work from yesterday, and then you will do a very simple Google Forms. You will count the coins on the page, and you will tell the piggy if the amount of coins is an even number or an odd number coins, and you may use your strip with even and odd if you need to on your quiz. Do your best work.